Namaste, dear listeners. Welcome to the English Pod Community with Pahadan. Hope you all are doing great. You know what, dear listeners? These days, when I step out on the street, I can already feel it. The markets are buzzing with energy, lights are sparking everywhere, and people are smiling a little more than usual. Why? Because it's festival season in India. First comes Dussehra, then Diwali. After that, Christmas and New Year. It's like a chain of celebrations, one after another. And honestly, this is the time when life feels the most colorful. But let's think for a second. Are festivals about food, shopping, and holidays? Or do they hide something deeper? I believe every festival is a teacher in disguise, offering us life lessons we sometimes forget. So, today let's talk about festivals that teaches us life lessons. Now, imagine, dear listeners, a Diwali evening, your homes glowing with diyas, family laughing in the living room, kids running around, and neighbors dropping by with sweets. It's pure togetherness, isn't it? And you know the saying, the more mirror. The bigger the group, the bigger the fun. That's what festival remind us. No matter how busy we get, our real wealth lies in the bonds we share with people. Festivals also whisper to us about generosity. During Eid, people share food with everyone, and Christmas, gifts are exchanged with love. On Diwali, sweets move from one house to another faster than WhatsApp messages. Dear listeners, festivals say spread the joy because real happiness doesn't come from locking things away for yourself. It comes when you share, when you care, and when your heart is big enough to give. And then comes Dussehra, the triumph of good over evil. Watching Ravan burn isn't just drama, it's a reminder that our own anger, jealousy, and ego also need to go up in flames. Like the saying goes, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Darkness never wins forever, and Diwali doubles that lesson. Light always finds a way back. Holi later tells us to forgive and move on. It's like saying, let's bygones be bygones, and coloring life again with love. Dear listeners, count your blessings. Festivals reminds us to stop complaining and start appreciating our family, our health, even the food on our plates. Because sometimes the little things are actually the bigger things. Festivals prove that joy doesn't need luxury. Decorating your doorway, eating homemade laddus, wearing simple new clothes. These small traditions bring a happiness that money just can't buy. Happiness doesn't always live in expensive hotels or fancy gadgets. Most of the time, it's sitting right at home waiting for us. And dear listeners, every festival carries a story. The Dussehra speaks of Rama defeating Ravan, Diwali of his return to Ayodhya, and Christmas of Jesus' birth, Eid of sacrifices. Together, they form our heritage. And when we celebrate each other's festival, we celebrate unity in diversity. Different roots, same joy. That's the beauty of festivals. So, my dear listeners, as this festive season begins, let's enjoy the crackers, the sweets, the lights, but also let's keep this lesson close to your hearts. Be together, share what you can, forgive the small fights, be thankful, find joy in little things, respect cultures, because if you carry these lessons, life itself becomes a festival every single day. As the saying goes, carry the torch. Let's take forward not just the ritual, but also the values behind them. So tell me, what's your favorite festival and what's lesson has it taught you? Think about it and share it. That's it for today's episode. Thank you for listening to the English Pod Community with Pahan. Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep celebrating your life. Thank you, and may the God watch over you.